Mindfulness may transform your life. Mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress, improve cognitive performance, and slow down the aging of brain cells, explains body-mind therapist Ofra Ziv. Ziv has a private practice in Rosh Ha'ayin and travels to businesses and organizations to conduct stress management workshops. Her interest in mindfulness stems back to her time working in the area of organizational psychology, where she has worked for the last 15 years. Ziv started to learn more about the topic and enrolled in a number of mindfulness-based courses. She points out that major organizations like Google and Apple utilize mindfulness practices to assist their staff cope with stress. In the Western world, Jon Kabat-Zinn, a medical professor at the University of Massachusetts, established the concept of mindfulness from a medical and scientific standpoint, bringing it from the East to the West. According to Ziv, studies have discovered that practicing mindfulness reduces stress and improves cognitive performance during the previous 30 years. She cites a slew of reasons why people become sidetracked. Ziv has seen that many individuals disregard the physical symptoms of stress when she delivers courses in the workplace. In these sessions, she instructs participants on how to relax their minds and focus on their breathing. Because of this, she says, mindfulness improves cognitive function, improves memory, and slows the aging of brain cells. It also helps people stay focused and keep their minds open. Mindfulness training may benefit both workers and their supervisors, according to the author, who observes that companies are more aware of the value of employee health and wellness. Ultimately, Ziv says her objective is to educate individuals how to spot the signals of stress in their bodies and how to employ the mindfulness practices she teaches them at home to alleviate their symptoms. A few minutes a day of mindfulness practice is all that is needed to get the benefits. Despite the fact that stress may be relieved via a variety of activities, such as sports or dancing, he understands that for her, mindfulness has a particular place.